Modern agriculture takes many forms. From advanced greenhouse cultivation to large-scale open field production, agriculture is constantly adapting to different environments around the world. Every growing environment brings its own conditions, climate, water quality, cultivation methods. What works in one region may require a different approach in another. As agriculture evolves, so do the systems that support it. Precision irrigation, fertigation, drone applications, and modern cultivation technologies are changing the way crops are managed. With more technologies, more cultivation systems, and more regional differences, agriculture has become increasingly complex. Success depends on making the right decisions for the right environment. That starts with understanding local conditions, understanding production systems, understanding the challenges growers face every day. Cropenta works with agricultural professionals across different markets and cultivation systems, practical solutions that fit the realities of modern agriculture. Because modern agriculture requires more than products alone, it requires understanding. Cropenta. Smart inputs, stronger results.